Hello world, I am Manish and welcome to CyberSocks. In this video, you are going to learn how feeder know when pet arrives, how feeder open its gate when pet is near. All this will be achieved by pet feeder. Want to know more about pet feeder? Let's understand what pet feeder is. Pet feeder is a robot which feeds your pet all day by itself. When pet comes near your pet feeder, it opens its door and drop some food for your pet to eat. How this is happening? We are using IR sensor to sense our pet. When pet comes near our pet feeder, it will use servo motor to open its door to drop some food. Let's make our pet feeder. Let's build our robot. Alright everyone, now it's time to build our robot. Today we will be using CyberSox Robot Kit 2.0 step by step from scratch. This kit is specially designed for make robotics fun, simple and hands-on. So your kid can learn robotics and programming. Assemble your car using CyberSox car assembly manual. First connect our USB to our brain. Now let's connect other end of the USB to our computer. Now connect servo motor to 3-pin cable and other end of the 3-pin cable to S2 port sensor to port and put the other end of the plate to servo motor. Now plug 3-pin cable to IR sensor and other end of the 3-pin cable to sensor 1 port. Now it's time to tape our thing. I am taking this A4 sheet as a wall. Now our setup is completed. Let's understand flowchart and algorithm of the program. In this flowchart, we are starting with start. Then we are creating IR with pull up. Means we are attaching our IR with our brain. Pull up means when nothing is detected, the value will be 1. If something detected, the value will be 0. Means default value will be 1. Then we are creating servo. Means we are attaching servo to our brain. If IR value is 0, means something is detected. If something is detected, we are going to set our angle to 90 degree. And after 2 seconds, we will close it and repeat this process again. If nothing detected, I will just wait a moment and repeat this process again. Let's see our algorithm. We are creating servo on sensor 2 port. We are creating IR sensor to sensor 1 port. Then we are starting continuous loop. If value is 0 means something detected, our pet feeder will open its gate. We will wait for 3 seconds. Then we will close our feeder and start from step 3 again. Let's code our pet feeder program. Let's open our Google Chrome and search Cybo socks and hit enter and visit cybersocks.com. On the top panel, as you can see, we have block editor. For the first step, we will create our pins so we can attach our sensors to our brain. For the first step, we will initialize IR and servo pins. For this, go to pin and devices, pick create pin block, name it IR and choose D3 and choose input, and for pull choose pull up. Again go to pin and devices, choose get PWM servo motor block, name it servo, choose sensor to block. Now we are going to take values continuously, so go to control, pick while do block, go to math and logic and pick true block. So we will create an infinite loop. After this, what we are doing our algorithm? Yes, we are checking for our IR value. If IR value is 0, we will open our feeder gate. So go to control, pick if block, click on wheel icon, drag else and put it beneath if. So what was the condition? If something is detected, means IR value will be 0. Go to operators, pick comparison block, choose equal to. Now, for reading value from IR, go to ESP logic, pick read digital value block, place it in the first value, and write the pin name. IR pin name is IR. And go to variables and string, pick value block, and write 0. If value is 0, we are going to open our feeder for 3 seconds, then we will close it. For opening the feeder, we have to move our servo to 90 degree. For this, go to ESP logic, pick set servo block, write servo pin name and value to 90 degree. Then go to time block, write 3. For closing, we have to set servo angle to 0, duplicated, and write value to 0. Wait for 2 seconds, duplicate the wait block, write 2. If nothing is detected, we have to wait for a moment. Duplicate wait block, write 0.2 second. Now our code is completed. Click on connect brain button, choose USB serial, click on connect. After connecting successfully, click on run code. Let's see our pet feeder in action. Let's compare flowchart with our code. We are starting our program, then we are creating IR. To achieve this, we are using create pin block. We are creating servo. To achieve this, we are using get PWM servo motor block. We are comparing our readings from IR to 0. We are comparing readings from IR to 0. If it is true, we are setting servo angle to 90 for 3 seconds. To achieve this, we are using set servo angle block where we are giving servo name and setting to 90 degree and then wait for 3 seconds. After it, we are closing. To close our pad feeder, we have to set our servo angle to 0. So we are setting our servo angle to 0 for 2 seconds. If it is false, means nothing is detected. We will just wait for a moment and repeat this process again. We are waiting for a moment and repeat this process again. Good job! Now you have know how feeder know pet arrives. How feeder open its gate when pet is near. We have achieved this using our pet feeder project. You can also make smart dustbin. When someone comes near it, it will open its lid. In our upcoming video, we are also going to make smart dustbin. But instead of IR, we are going to use ultrasonic. If you have understood how to detect if someone is near, how to open lid and gates, please subscribe our channel and like this video.